Hello guys, welcome back. This is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have another lash video for you guys. You guys know I'm always looking for the best lashes. These lashes in particular are from Amazon. I've bought so many lashes trying to find the best lashes, meaning consistency between both lashes, if they are flexible, if they have a good pricing, you know, how many do you get for the amount of one. And just to show you how many lashes I've bought in this past month, I believe. Look. And these are not all. I want to make sure that I deliver one of the best lashes from Amazon. So if you want to see some of the best lashes from Amazon, then I suggest you to keep on watching. As you guys know, Amazon lashes are a hit or miss. The pictures that they show are not always 100% accurate when you receive the product. And let me tell you, I have found some good lashes that I'm in love. Every lash that I use here, I will link it down below. Let me set a little. Also, I've been on the hunt for these little triangle puffs, and I finally found them. Are a good price, come in bulk, and they're ready to use. You don't have to do the whole washing and everything. They're come ready to use. I'll make sure I link that below because I know some of you guys are in the hunt for that. As always, I like to start my video with the most subtle lashes and then work my way up. Starting off with these 3D cat eye lashes. These lashes are more of an everyday lash. I love them so much. These lashes are very consistent with each other. One of my favorites. I like to use these like for dinner. Lately I've been into the cat eye type of lashes. I'm using Duo. I'm just waiting for the lashes to get tacky. And then it's hard to find that nice catty eye lash without it being, how do you say, like they do look catty, but they have like a blunt cut. I don't know if I'm explaining myself correctly. And this lash has a wispiness to it. Like it looks very nice. It flows together. The flexibility of these lashes are also very nice. This pack has 7 pairs of lashes. Can we admire that? They're so beautiful. They look so nice. They're so nice.
Oh.
The next pair of lashes, difficult to pronounce name. This is how they look. I consider these also like an everyday lash, or even like a going to lunch, going to brunch, going to dinner type of lash. They're very nice. They look so pretty. You guys will see right now how nice they look. These lashes in a way have the lash extensions effect, but without having that blunt cut where all of the lashes are the same length. And I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. Put these on. Can we admire them? They are so nice. They're wispy. They're perfect. I love them. Let me put on the other ones. Look at that. They're so nice. Consistency wise, about 85 to 90%. They look very similar to each other. I actually wore these for a night out with my friends. I didn't want to wear the full glam lashes. I wanted something subtle but yet there. And I feel these are the perfect ones. The next lashes are these. They're nicely full. They have a nice volume. The similarity between both lashes is about a 90%. They look fluffy. They are a good going out lash. You guys will see right now. There are 7 pairs in the packet. This is how they look. Oh, let me put the other one on. This is how both of them look on. They're very nice. They look very similar to each other. Next lashes are these. These lashes are not cat eye. They're more rounded. They are your definitely going out lashes for those that are not used to wearing lashes. The wispiness of these lashes is amazing. The pack has 5 pairs of lashes. The quality of these lashes are great. They're so nice. Let me put on the other one so you guys could get the full. These lashes are so pretty. They're so nice. They are a little bit more lengthy, but in a nice way. They look nice.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, baby.
Last but not least are these lashes. These lashes have length and have the most volume out of the 5. These are definitely your full glam type of lashes. And you guys know that I'm not used to big fluffy lashes, but these, they don't feel overwhelming. You guys will see right now. And this is how they look. They have a lot of volume, they do, but I love how they look. And again, what I mean by a lot of volume, I mean it like for me, for my liking, for my personal preference, for everything. That's what I mean. Maybe for you, this is like, girl, regular stuff. For me, I'm too basic. And this is both of them together. They look very nice. The way that these lashes look in real life look amazing. They match very well to each other. They don't look wonky. Nice. Can you imagine with a smoky eye? This would look very nice. How they look, not only in camera, but also how they look in person. I love them. I love all of these lashes. Like I mentioned earlier, I did a lot of research, a lot of trials with different type of lashes, and at the end, these are one of my favorite lashes from Amazon, with a great price point and with a good amount of lashes. I will continue to look for more lashes on Amazon because I know Amazon is very accessible to everyone. We all want and deserve good lashes, so I will do that job for you guys. Every lash that I tried on today, I will link it down below. If any of these lashes caught your attention, make sure you just grab them if they're in stock, because like I said, they do tend to sell out. There's a chance that these links will let you know that they have sold out, or unfortunately in other occasions they'll just take you to a different product, and that is something out of my control, unfortunately. I am happy to show you all these different styles of lashes, and I will keep making more videos to show more different styles and different brands. I will also link the video for this hairstyle. I'll show you guys how I get this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is always greatly appreciated. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.